Stan Gibilisco here from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advancing Software, Hardware, and Operating Systems. If you believe that, well, I'm not sure what kind of salt you should use when you take it. Epsom salt, possibly. But what I've noticed about Windows 10 by the way, the return date for the computer that I bought with Windows 10 on it was Sunday, and I still got it because I want to get familiar with that operating system, and I am getting familiar with it. Some of my old programs will still run on it. Most of them will not. And they also have programs from older versions of Windows that used to be included, such as Movie Maker, as part of the package, that are no longer included. And that is one of the main things I've noticed about Windows 10 is it appears that they are evolving a little bit in the direction of the Apple or Macintosh model, where virtually every app on your computer must be purchased at their store. That's not necessarily such a bad thing, because freeware can be quite bad, but I've also discovered that some of the software that I used to use on my computers, such as, well, I won't name it, but a file transfer protocol, FTP program, actually resides on the server of my internet service provider, and the proprietor of that company, blackhills.com, was kind enough to point out to me that you can do that, and you can hit a certain link in their site and go to a control panel and upload and download and do everything just like a regular FTP program can do. But the program's not even on your computer or on the Windows 10 computer. It's on their server. Sometimes you can do that. I think there's one other case I discovered that you can do that. But the main thing I wanted to mention about Windows 10 that I've noticed is that they are evolving towards a situation where if you want a particular app, you're going to have to buy it or subscribe to it rather than just have it be part of the operating system. I'm not so sure I like that, but I'm also pretty sure that I can't do anything about it. Eventually, all my old computers with the older operating systems will fail because of hardware shortcomings, and I'll be stuck with Windows 10 for as long as that system lasts. How long that'll be? It's an open question, because computers will someday, perhaps within my lifetime, work on models that don't even resemble what we have today. I'm kind of excited. I hope I live long enough to see it. By then it won't affect my life anymore anyway. I'll be living in that mountain cabin on 10 acres of land with a great view, no internet connection at all, and a friendly old dog to scratch behind the ears and talk to and tell stories to while we look out at the mountains. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.